Welcome to Idiotic Unboxings, iPhone 12. And also, this is definitely my address. Deliver to 123 Street. Yes, this is going to be silent because I'm going to reuse this footage for another video that will likely be released today or tomorrow. So, yeah, let's just unbox it now. I'm going to use my Swiss Army knife to unbox this because I have rarely ever used this, so I decided why not use it in this video. So. Whoa, this thing looks cool. Dang. Oh man, there's only one Apple sticker. That was Idiotic Unboxings iPhone 12. This is actually really nice compared to my iPhone 6, which I'm using to record this right now. So, but yeah, this is actually a lot bigger and it feels heavier and nicer. So, yeah, that's going to be it for this video. So, see you guys later. Bye.